Wanna know how to add a contact page in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WooCommerce or WordPress site. Now, once you're there, on your created website, make sure you are under admin. Now, once you're under admin, make sure you are under post or pages, any one of these. Now, just simply select any existing title or existing page or post, and you should be on its editing site. Now, once you're under its editing side, right here, you can just simply select this type slash icon right here over the text, and then select this plus icon. Now, once you selected the plus icon, here you should be saying browse all, just simply select it. Now, once you're under browse all, just simply hit towards patterns, and now right here you should see contact. So simply select contact, and now once you selected contacts, here you should be seeing a contact page right here. So you can just simply scroll down and find the correct contact page with maps and stuff. So once you found the right one, you can just simply drag and drop it to the canvas just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. So it's also typeable and editable where users can type it as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.